I bought a FIMI A3 drone, which is a reasonable priced camera drone that's easy and fun to fly. My previous experience of drones is with the Tello that I've had a couple of years, so I thought it was time for an upgrade. In this video I will share my own opinion about my purchase and we'll take a brief look of what's in the box. Let's get to it. We start with the video quality. The camera can record in 1080p and 30 frames per second, and it records the footage onto a micro USB card that's located behind the battery. The camera is stabilized with a gimbal. It can take 8 megapixel still images. I would say that the video quality and stabilization is good and perfect for YouTube videos. There's drones with better picture quality out there, but those are in a much higher price range, and I wasn't sure how much I would use it, so I couldn't justify a higher price. I'm actually happy with the picture quality. To fly the FIMI A3 is easy, and after a battery of practice, you feel comfortable with it. It has inbuilt GPS, and if you let go of the controller, the drone hover on the spot. The controller has an inbuilt screen for first-person view, which is a big advantage to other drones, where you have to connect your phone. I flew it in quite a lot of wind, and I was surprised how stable it was. If you want the drone to come back to the start position, you just press and hold the home button and the drone will fly back to its starting point and land. You can't start the drone if you don't have a GPS signal, so I don't think you can fly it indoors. It has some automatic flying modes like follow me, fixed wing and orbit mode. I have tried follow me mode, and it works well. If the ground is uneven, you need to check its height in follow me mode, since it doesn't compensate for that, and can fly into a hill or a tree. I should mention that I'm using the latest firmware in March 2020. In the package you get the drone, controller with inbuilt screen, 6 rotor blades, USB cable, 2000 mAh battery and a special battery charger. I ordered it from Amazon in Germany and it cost €267 including delivery, which isn't bad if you compare it to other drones with similar specs. To summarize, I think the drone is good. It can be used as a competent camera drone or as a fun-to-fly drone. I would recommend it to someone that just want to film their neighborhood or scenic place and don't need to fly super long distance. Battery time is good, about 15 to 20 minutes. Picture quality is good. Steering is good, and the price is good. I would also recommend this drone as a main Christmas present to a teenager or to an adult for that matter. Now, just sit back, relax, and watch the video quality of the FIMI A3, and if the footage is up to your standard. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe so you don't miss my future videos.